Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can use Tinder. So this is a beginner's guide video if you want to fully understand how to use Tinder. To download Tinder, you need to go on App Store or Play Store and just search for Tinder. Once you search for Tinder, it's going to show you Tinder. Now my Tinder says open because I've already downloaded. Yours going to show you get. You want to click on it and it'll start to download. Once the downloading is complete, you want to open up Tinder app. Now in Tinder app, if you already have an account, you can log in into it. But if you don't have an account just like me, you can create an account. You can use your Apple ID, Facebook, or your phone number. I'm going to use my phone number. Once you use your phone number, click on next. Once you do that, a code will be sent to your phone. You type that code and click on next. And now you need to enter an email. So enter your email to verify your email. Once you do that, you can connect your account to Apple ID. I don't want to do that, so I will click on skip at the top. Once you do that, your Tinder account will be created. Now I can click on I agree. It basically means you agree to its terms and service and enter your first name. Now later on, you might think you can change your name, but no. Once you enter a name in Tinder, you cannot change it later. The only way to change it is deleting your account and creating again. So make sure to enter the name which you want to, because you cannot change it in future. Once you enter your name, you can click on next. And as you guys can see, it's telling you cannot do it, so I'm going to click on let's go. Now once you choose your name, you need to choose date of birth. Again, you cannot choose your date of birth later on, so make sure to enter the correct date of birth. Then choose your gender, which you can change again, so make sure to choose the correct one. And if you want to skip this, you can do that. I'm just going to go with straight and choose the one you are interested in. I will choose women. Now you can choose like how far the girl you want to meet. So I want to meet a girl who's close to me, so I will click on next. And it's asking me what I'm looking for, so I'm just gonna go for something random here. Okay, and then it's going to ask you for your school name. You can skip it by clicking at the top. I will do that, but if you want to, you can fill this up. I will skip this as well, this as well, this. But remember, the more info you give, the better Tinder will find a match for you. Now you need to enter a photo of you, or like any photo you have in your gallery. So I'm going to enter a photo which I have in my gallery. Now I can click on next, and then your Tinder account will be created. And you need to click on allow to allow access to your location. And you can just click on I'll miss out, continue, and I'll just click on cross at the top. But if you want to fill it, you can fill it up. And just like this, you have created yourself an account. Now if you swipe right, it's gonna mean nope, which means you don't like her. If you swipe left, it means you like her. That means you can further talk with her if she agrees to like you back as well. That is basically how you guys can talk to somebody or start a conversation on Tinder. You have to like them and they have to like you back as well. Otherwise you can't. Or if you just want, you can click on the like at the bottom, the green one, and the red cross means no. So you can do that as well. Or you can click on the conversation icon at the bottom and it will take you to this place. And this is the place where all of your chat is going to be available, okay? You can talk with anybody, or like if you have talked with somebody in the past, it's going to be available over here. And that's how you guys can match in Tinder as well. Now to unlike somebody in Tinder, basically this is what you need to do. Just swipe like this, nope. Nope means unlike, and swiping left means like. So if you like someone, you can do this. If you don't, you can just do this. So I hope you understand how we can like and unlike on Tinder. Now if you want to change your profile picture in Tinder, you can click on the person looking icon at the bottom, and from over here you can see the pen icon right beside your profile picture. Click on it. You can add picture here by clicking on plus, or you can edit the current picture you want by clicking on the pen icon. And if you want to put bio as well, you can click on the pen icon, scroll a bit down, and you will see over here all your bio. As you guys can see, your height, your zodiac sign, this is basically all of your bio. You can change whichever one you like. You can just click on something you want. Like let's say I want to change my zodiac sign. I can click on add and add my zodiac sign over here as well. So that is basically your bio. And on interest, you can click on add interest and add some extra interest as well. And after everything is done, just click on done at the top right and your bio will be edited. And that is basically how you guys can put things on your bio as well. And if you want to hide your Tinder profile, you can just click on the setting icon at the top right corner. Once you're inside settings, scroll all the way down and you will see enable discovery. Turn this off, click on go incognito, and your account will be hidden. Now remember, to go incognito, again you need to have Tinder Premium. So if you want to do that, buy Tinder Premium. If you don't, you cannot do it. After you have Tinder Premium, you can come here and enable discovery to hide your Tinder profile or to unhide it. Click on done after you do that and your action will be confirmed. And to delete messages on Tinder, you can come to this messaging icon and just hold on the message which you want to delete and click on delete, and the message will be deleted. That's how we guys can delete message on Tinder. And if you want to block somebody on Tinder, it's pretty simple. Just hold on their profile picture. Once you hold on their profile picture or you click on their profile picture, you can swipe a bit down. Once you keep swiping a bit down, you will see block Pooja. Click on it, click on yes block, and click on thanks I'm done, and the person will be blocked. That's how we guys can block someone on Tinder if you want to do that as well. And if you want to log out of your Tinder account, it's pretty simple. Click on the profile picture icon at the bottom right. Click on setting at the top. Scroll all the way down. At the bottom, you will see the logout button. Click on it. You will be logged out of Tinder. And if you want to delete your Tinder account, click on delete account. Click on delete my account at the bottom. Choose the reason and click on delete my account. Click on OK and your account will be deleted. That's how we guys can do it. So I hope you understand this beginner's guide for Tinder. If you did, hit that subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.